Sirens howled through the cold and the wreck. The sea held its breath, the sky turned red, and the pirates came for the laws we read. They tore the masts from the speaker's skin, dragged the truth out from within. They piled the books one by one and said this world is overdone. Burn the laws, let the papers scream. No more gods, no more dream. Write it all in dust and flame. The book of ashes knows your name. He held her book behind his back, while others wept in grief and lack. The man with fire spoke so loud, your freedom is your only shroud. No judge, no prayer, no holy sign, just echo, breath and pulse and line. No truth survives the righteous flood, only ink and blood and blood. Burn the laws and breathe in smoke. Your past is gone, your name's a joke. You are your cage, your flame, your shame. The book of ashes speaks no name. Cosmos rising, gods are dead, morals melting, pages bled. Silence louder than any claim. The book of ashes ends the game.